Entire e-commerce system is actively rigged against your brain. Every app on your phone is engineered to do one thing: completely eliminate the friction between a random impulse and your money. You see a cool gadget online. You click buy. You get a massive hit of instant dopamine. But 20 minutes later, that excitement completely vanishes, replaced by a brutal wave of financial guilt. Your brain physics are glitched. Humans are wired to seek instant rewards. When you spend $50 on an impulse buy, your brain thinks it's winning. But over a year, these micro-spending leaks quietly bleed out thousands of dollars. This is the one-click trap. Major corporations spend millions hiring behavioral scientists just to make spending completely seamless, completely bypassing your logical mind before you can even think. To beat a system this advanced, you cannot rely on willpower alone. You need a structural circuit breaker. If you want to solve this struggle instantly today, I built a tool that does it for you. The 30-Day Purchase Pause Notion OS. It is an automated digital boundary that intercepts your impulse spending before it destroys your goals. Grab it right now at the link in the description below, set it up on your phone, and let's install the system. Here is exactly how the protocol works. The moment you see an item you want to buy, you are legally banned from adding it to your shopping cart. Instead, you instantly dump it into your Notion impulse inbox. Inside the dashboard, a hidden cooling off database rule automatically locks that item away. It hides it from your view, forcing a mandatory 30-day time delay. You get the initial dopamine hit of shopping without spending a single dime. When that 30-day timer finally expires, a crazy psychological shift happens. The artificial emotional hype is completely dead. You look back at the item with clear logic, realize you don't even want it, and delete it. This turns your savings into a game. The Notion OS tracks every single item you successfully skip, automatically calculating your total saved wealth. You watch your kept capital stack up in real time. Stop letting multi-billion-dollar apps dictate your bank balance. Install a system that fights back. Head down to the description. Grab the 30-day purchase pause template right now, drop a comment with your savings goal, smash that like button, and subscribe to Hack the System. Let's build real wealth.